Hello children, welcome back to the online computer class at BMS School at home. Children, in today's class we are going to start a new unit, that is Scratch. Okay, let's start Scratch. Okay children, so what is Scratch, ma? Yes, Scratch is a computer programming language that you can create a simple animation or cartoon and games using the Scratch. Okay, so using the Scratch you can create a simple animation or cartoon or games, okay, using this Scratch. Okay children, now children, these are the following contents that are covered in this chapter. They are how to start a Scratch and the Scratch window and stage. Okay, and coming under this stage there are four types of stage, that is menu bar, stage and sprite list, scripts, costumes and sound tabs. Okay, so children, in today's class we are going to learn about how to starting a Scratch and the Scratch window and stage. Okay, in that stage we are going to learn about only the menu bar. Okay children, so now first we are going to look about how to starting a Scratch. Okay, so children, if you want to start a Scratch, first you have to go to the start button. Okay, so click the start button and here you can see all the applications that are arranged in alphabetical order. So Scratch, the starting letter is S. You have to search in the S alphabet. Okay, so this is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, O, P, then S. Okay, so in that you can see the Scratch. Okay children, so you can double click this to open the Scratch. Okay children, so now the program Scratch application is loading. This is the Scratch window. This is the Scratch window. Okay children, so here the main element in Scratch is a sprite. Okay, this is the sprite. This is the main element in the Scratch. A sprite is a drawing that you can give command to. It is a drawing, okay, and you can give the commands to move forward or backward or up or down or jump or increase or decrease, okay, or turn. You can give the command and you can move it around, change its size, make it play music, etc. Okay, so a sprite can be a ball or a butterfly or an animal. Okay, so children, once again I am repeating, the main element in Scratch is a sprite. Okay, so a sprite is a drawing that you can give commands to move around or change its size or make it play music, etc. A sprite can be a ball or a butterfly or an animal. Now the Scratch allow you to create programs by dragging blocks. Okay, these are blocks. Okay, so you can create programs by dragging like this, dragging blocks that have commands on them. Okay, inside that have some commands. Okay, how much the sprites wants to move forward or backward or turn or jump. Okay, like that, these are some of the commands. and fitting them together. Okay, so Scratch allows you to create programs by dragging blocks that have commands on them and fitting them together. These programs are called scripts. Okay, these all are called scripts. Okay, children. When you click on a script, the Scratch runs the block from top to bottom of the script. Okay, so if you are collecting more blocks, these all are called scripts. Okay, so when you click this start button, Scratch runs the blocks from top to bottom of the scripts. Okay, and children, you can create a range of simple animation or cartoon and games using the Scratch. Okay, children. So once again I am repeating, children, the main element in Scratch is a sprite. A sprite is a drawing that you can give command to. You can move it around, change its size, that means smaller or bigger, and make it play music, etc. Okay, a sprite can be a ball or a butterfly or an animal. The Scratch allows you to create programs by dragging blocks that have commands on them. These programs are called scripts. When you click on the script, the Scratch runs the blocks from top to bottom of the script. Okay, now let us see more about the Scratch window. Okay, so the Scratch window has some main parts. Okay, so the first one is menu bar. Okay, so this is menu bar and this is title bar. Okay, this is menu bar. Okay, okay children, this is menu bar. Okay, and these all are costumes, scripts and sounds. Okay, these all are costumes, scripts, that means code and sounds. Okay, and these all are block categories. Okay, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, my blocks, variables, operators. Okay, so these all are block categories. Okay, so children, this is menu bar and this is scripts, costumes and sound tabs, and these all are block categories. Okay, and this is stage. Okay, this is stage, and this is sprite list. Okay, this is the sprite list. You can change the sprite. Okay, you can change butterfly or other animal also. Okay, and these all are block palette. Okay, these all are block palette, and this is scripts area. Okay, these code are scripts area information. This is the sprite information. Okay, so once again I am repeating the Scratch window main parts. Okay, so first one is menu bar. Okay, this is menu bar and this is scripts or code, costumes and sound tabs. Okay, these all are block categories, and this is stage. Okay, and these are sprite list, and these all are block palettes, and this is the script area, and this is the sprite information. Okay, now let's see all the main parts one by one. Okay, So the first one is menu bar. Okay, so any games or animations created in Scratch are called project. The menu bar contains commands related to the project file and the sprites you are using in the project. Okay, so the menu bar this is the menu bar. It contains commands related to the project file and the sprites you are using in your project. Okay, so the first in the menu bar, the first one is Scratch logo. Okay, this is the logo of Scratch. And the second one is set languages. Okay, so if you are clicking this set language to open a menu which lists all the languages in which Scratch is available. If you wish to change from English to any other language in the list, just click on its name. Okay, here is the English. If you want to change it into French or Italian or Korea, okay, so you can change the language. Okay, so first one is Scratch logo. This Scratch logo button takes you to the home page of the Scratch website. Okay, and second one is setting the language. That is, click set language to open a menu which lists all the languages in which Scratch is available. If you wish to change from English to any other language in the list, just click on its name. Okay, the next one is file menu. This file menu has option to save your work and download the project to your computer system or upload a project from your computer to the internet. Okay children, so this file menu has option to save your work. What are the works you are done here, you can save it, and whenever you need it, you can open it using this file command. Okay, so this file menu has option to save your work, download the project to your computer system, or upload a project from your computer to the internet. The next one is edit menu. Okay, so this is the edit option. The edit menu has commands to adjust the stage size or access the file. Okay, this edit menu has commands to adjust the stage size or access the undelete option. Okay, then next one is tutorial. Okay, so this tutorial button is also give some information on how you can create different effect or make a sprite talk or making a music or making a clicker game or making a animate a character, create a story, make it fly. Okay, create animation that talk. You can create your own animation or cartoons using the help of tutorial options. Okay, so children, this tutorial option is used to gives information on how you can create different effect or make a sprite to talk, etc. Okay, and this is the close button. Okay, this is the close button. If you want to close this Scratch, you can use this close symbol. The Scratch program will close, and this is the restore down button. Okay, so if you are clicking this, it will come like this. Okay, restore down, and this is the maximize button and this is the minimize button. Okay, minimize means like this. Okay children, and this is the grow button. Okay, grow button. Click this grow button and then click a sprite to increase its size. This is the grow button. Okay, so if you are clicking this grow button, you can increase the sprite size. Okay, and these two are shrink button. If you are clicking this shrink button and then click a sprite to make smaller in size. Okay children, so this is the grow button. Click the grow button and then click a sprite to increase its size, and this is the shrink button. Click the shrink button and then click a sprite to make it smaller in size. Okay, then this is the delete option. Okay, if you want to change another sprite like elephant or butterfly, you can use this delete option and you can choose the another sprite. Okay, okay children, once again I am going to explain what are the um, things are present in the menu bar. Okay, so the menu bar, any games or animations created in Scratch are called project. The menu bar contains commands related to the project file and the sprite you are using in your project. Okay, so this menu bar contains the following elements, that are first one, Scratch logo. The Scratch logo button takes you to the home page of the Scratch website. And the next one is setting languages. Click the set language to open a menu which lists all the languages in which Scratch is available. If you wish to change from English to any other language, you can just click on its name. The next one is file menu. This file menu has option to save your work and download the project to your computer system, and also upload a project from your computer to the internet. Okay, the next one is the edit command. This edit menu has command to adjust the stage size or access the undelete option. Okay, the next one is tutorial. It is also give information on how you can create different effect and make a sprite to talk, etc. Okay, and this is the delete option. If you want to change the another sprite, you can delete this one and choose another one from this, and you can use the new one. Okay, and you can use the new sprite. The next, this is the grow button. Click the grow button and then click a sprite to increase its size. And this is the shrink button. Click the shrink button and then click a sprite to make it smaller in size. Okay, and this is the stop button, and this is the go button, that means start button. This button is used to closing this Scratch, and this is the restore down button, and this is the minimize button. Okay children, in today's class we learned what is Scratch and how to start the Scratch and the Scratch windows, and in that we learned the menu bar. Okay, the different elements on the menu bar. Okay, so children, what is Scratch? Scratch is a computer programming language, and the main element in the Scratch is a sprite. Okay, Scratch allows you to create programs by dragging blocks that have commands on them and fitting them together. These programs are called scripts. Okay, and you can create a simple animation or a cartoon or a games using the scratch. Okay. Okay, next we learned about how to start a scratch. So how to start a scratch is go to start button, and in that you can see a list of applications, and here you can select the scratch and double click it to open the scratch. Okay, then after that we learned the scratch windows. The scratch window has the following main parts. They are menu bar, stage, sprite list, scripts, costumes, and sound tabs. Okay, so in today's class we learned only about menu bar. Okay, so children, what are the elements are present in the menu bar? Yes, scratch logo, how to setting the languages, file menu, edit menu, and tutorial, and delete option, grow button, shrink button, the close option, the maximize button, and minimize button. Okay children, so in the next class we will see the remaining main parts. Okay. Okay children, this is the end of today's class. See you in the next class. Bye and happy learning.